Hello, Saket.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, this is on Google Colab, na? Right, na?
Yeah, Google Colab.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Okay, so why it's printing like this? Because this is supposed at hello world. Okay, so this is hello world. Okay, so here you have passed from what point I have to start and till. So whenever you are passing here -1, it means this -1 means it will go end.
So,
Its index will be can be say like that -1 as or or if you go from this position, then 1 2 3 4, sorry, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 or 10. You can go either by this index or by this index. So since I have passed here -1, so it will tell start from the first means 0 and go till. And I said that in Python the upper bound will not be printed. If I want to print this, then either you can write nothing here, then D will be also printed. Okay, got my point. So it will print from
yeah.
here, here, and it upper bound is not included in Python, so it will not print here. But my question was that if I want to print D only, can you guess? Anyone, can you guess? I want only D using this colon. I have lots of techniques. Yeah, I know that, but if I want to print only D,
Semicolon 10 in
semicolon.
bracket 10.
Oh, sorry. Semicolon 10, 10.
10.
Then
Yeah.
again it will print entire, no? Entire thing. Okay.
Okay.
If you print here semicolon and 10, then it will print again same thing. See, same thing. I want to
Okay.
print only D, only D. What is simple? Go from -1 and upper bound will not printed. So you can write here -1. Thanks. You can write here -1. Sorry. You can write here -1 and upper bound is not included. Since upper bound, what is this? If
10.
I will
D.
see only D. This way you using
Mm,
colon. What
mm.
it did, see here it's saying that go from here,
Okay.
and till your string will end. But after this D there is nothing, then it will print only D. Okay, and why this
So,
is placing here
gap also has taken, na? That hello gap world. So
gap.
that gap is also taken, na?
Yeah, I already told gap is also counted as a character.
Noted, na? Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
why this print entire? Because it will tell you start from first, and this index either you can say that -1 or 10. If I want to ask from you what will be the index in negative about L, then what you will say? -2, right? So if you want to indexing your string in reverse direction, then you have to start from -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Suppose that if I want to print h only in negative indexing, what I will do?
One.
And yeah, by one I
Minus 10.
told you in my,
Minus 10.
let me write this s -10.
Minus 10. Yes.
Where I should write?
Uh,
Minus 10.
after, yes.
Yes. Okay, na?
After colon. Yes.
Got my point. So this way we should understand these things. Then entire mechanism will be clear, and you will never face problem in your life. Okay. So okay, got by single colon I made you understand. Now without colon, if I want to print D, then you were telling right. Okay, without colon, if I want to print D only, then what should I write here? Say -1. Then I will
Yeah.
then it will print. Why it's meaning? Because they go, see, colon is having different mechanism, or this is having different mechanism. Without colon, what it indicates, it will say go directly to the single index. And here it is slicing. Okay, and here
Oh,
it is
okay.
printing only one character. So this is the difference. This colon, we can print some part of some so many characters of this string, means a part of a string. But this, without colon, we are printing only one character. Okay, this is the difference between this mechanism and this mechanism. Suppose if I want to print l, then simply I have to write here 2. Got my point? So without colon, we are printing single character. With colon, we can also print single character, but we can print a part of a string also, or slice of a string also. So this is the difference between this and this one. So what I will do, I will save this file, and I will provide you as a homework. You have to write the explanation what I am telling in a single line with this. So once you will write this explanation, you will never need to go in this file, and you have to devise and all these things. It will fixed in your mind for lifetime. Because why I am telling that, I have also learned these things in this manner only.
Saket,
I
I'm
also
from
started
mobile,
Python in,
so should I attend from laptop?
yeah, laptop, no problem.
Okay.
Okay, yes, tomorrow I will make you all you comfortable to how to run code in your Google Colab, so that there will be no involvement of your system to run these Python codes. Okay, you can run all these things in a uh, in a, uh, in a cloud. Okay, many of I know many people know that how to use cloud, but those who face those who will
Uh,
face problem, I will. And now second,
Saket, can we save this file in Colab?
yeah, definitely here. I will
Oh,
in file, and then when you will
yeah.
download IPYNB, if you will, then it will download in Jupyter
Okay.
notebook file.
Yeah.
And if you download like this, then it will on that .py
Python.
file. Okay, you can download
So,
from here
Saket, when will you teach us that collab and all those things?
tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay,
So
so
today
i
laptop is
will i will
required.
take control of any one person. Okay, and I will do all the steps, or I will say somebody to do all the steps, and everyone
Okay,
do
perfect.
parallelly. And okay,
So
Okay.
Kaggle is different than collab.
no, Kaggle is also same. Kaggle
Okay.
is also providing their cloud services, and here Google is providing their cloud services. You can do all this mechanism also in the Kaggle cloud also. If you will
Okay.
join, means keep touch with me, I will also do Kaggle project after, because I'm doing internship as well as XLR project also. But so I have not much time, but after 2 months I will we will do project on Kaggle with a team, five teams we will divide, and we will
Okay.
do and practice it. Okay, so keep
Okay.
touch with me, and we will do some
Yeah.
great job.
Sure.
Okay, now I will go with this double colon. slicing, how its mechanism work. Okay, so first I will explain it how it will work. So see, I have also read all these things in last 3 months. So I will not teach anything wrong or any problem. Maybe some wrong by mistake. I can I will tell some wrong method or anything, but it for sorry for that. But definitely you will feel better from in comparison to previous. So
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
why
sure.
I, yeah. So yeah, second slicing, how it works. Okay, it's just like a nothing like a trainer, or like we are all our friend here. So just like a friend, we are discussing here, and I will try my best. Okay, today at random I'm doing all these things without any preparation or anything. Okay, so what it will do, it the first part will say that from where I have to start. Okay, from where I have to start. Second part will say up to what I have to go, up to what I have to go, right? Up to what I have to go. And third part will say that a step size. What is the meaning of a step size? Meaning of a step size is suppose if I am going from here. Okay, so step size will suppose I put here one. What does it mean? It will go print this one, and it will go forward by one step. Okay, if I have written here one, it will go forward by one step and it will print e, then again go forward by one step, print l. Means that if I will here write as colon 1.
अरे
Yeah, yeah.
तुम क्या कर रहे हैं मान लो वो जो एक्सेलर प्रोजेक्ट वो करते हैं एक्सेलर पे अपन वो भी कर सकते हैं ना इंटर्नशिप वो इंटर्नशिप कर रहे 2 महीने का मतलब उसका प्रोजेक्ट भी हो गया उसके बाद का ये कर रहे हो और फिर हम लोग से प्रैक्टिस भी कर हमको सिखा रहे
uh, right, so here it will uh, go with one step, single step. If I will print nothing here, then by default it will take a step as a one. But if I write one, it's fine. If I write two, then how it will work? It will first print this one, and it will next it want to go forward, then it escape. It's because we have provided here two step, then it escape this one, and it will go here with two step, and it will print l. It will not print e. Okay, so this we will see that how it works. So s colon and double colon. If in starting I'm not doing anything, what I did, it start from a start sorry, it start from the starting point and go till end, and default say steps as already told as one. So it will print like this. Suppose it if I put here one, then it will print same thing, right? So by these two codes, what you got, a step default step size is one. You can conclude that. So you can comment here after class that what is the difference between and why it's giving same, so that you fixed it your for lifetime. Next s, and here I am putting 2. See that what it has done, h, then e is escaped, then l, then this l escaped, then l, and this blank space is also counted as a character. This is also a proof here. This blank character is also counted as a character, so it escaped the blank place and it printed w, then o escape r, then d. Okay, now next, if I suppose that if I print here, then without running, tell me what it will print. If I will print this one, then what it will print? See, whenever I pass the negative step size, okay, negative step size, then suppose that in initial phase counter was there, okay, in positive step size or in default counter is here, and this counter goes move like this, and it will keep on printing. But whenever I pass their negative step size, then counter will set here, and it will say that it start the counter, please just start from here and go your tail end, because I have not passed anything here. Okay, neither a starting point nor ending point, but I have, by passing this negative step size, I have just make count fix the counter here. Okay, and it will go in the reverse direction. So what it will do, it will just reverse, it will print the reverse of your string. See this, D L. Okay, got my point? Any question till now?
It is not skipping anything, na? Means
It is not,
like
yeah, it is nothing
yeah.
escaping, because
Yeah.
counter size is 1. Suppose that if I counter size I put 2, then what it will do? Again I said that first it will, whenever it see the step size negative, then it fix first counter here. Okay, and since I passed here a step size -2, then it will escape alternate, sorry, it will print alternate, escape its consecutive character.
So this
Okay.
command is called step size.
Yeah, this third part, we have three parts na, first part, this second part, and this is third part. Whatever we are passing here in the third part, that is called as a step size command. Okay,
Okay.
this part is a step size, this part your up to what you have to go, and this part up from what point you have to start. So since we have not passed here anything for your starting point, since we have not passed any up to what point you have to go, since I have passed only a step size, but this step size is negative, whenever it finds the step size in negative, then it will set the counter in your reverse direction. So it will set it there, its counter here, and it will see what is the, if you take the mod value, then what it will get 2. It means reverse direction your step size is 2. Then first it will print D, then it will escape L, then it will print R, then escape O, then it will print W, then got my point? So let me run this. See what it had done. Got my point? Clear?
Yes.
-1. So you can write your comment here. Okay, why it's giving like this and why it's giving like this. Lots of things not written here for understanding. I am this file contain definitely more than this. Okay, because concept wise I'm making comfortable. Okay, if you want, then I will share this one also. Okay, no problem, I will share this one also. Okay, this one is clear. One more thing, what is called immutability. Okay, immutability. So immutability means if you store here H, E, then L, then O, okay, like that. Immutability means you cannot modify the single character of your string. You cannot write X in place of H. You cannot write. Okay, you cannot write a x or any character in place of h, neither e neither l. किसी भी place पे हम कोई दूसरा character नहीं लिख सकते हैं. This is called immutable problem. So our string is immutability. It will show immutability problem. Okay, so suppose let me, what does it represent? Tell me. If I print here 0, then what it will give? H, right? H. If I want to assign some character here, right, like say x, then this is not allowed, because S0, I already told that S or S0 both are storing the address of your first character. Either you can put it here 1, either you can put it here 1, right? Sorry, I wrongly I executed it, but what it will print? Your L, right? Index wise you it's printing. If I want to store at this index any character, then it is not allowed. Why? Because you cannot write, you cannot replace already stored string. Okay, so in that case what you have to do, you have if you want to perform this action, then what you have to do, you have to copy this string in another another variable, and then you can change it, but in original copy you cannot change it. Okay, so let me just run it and want to show the what the error is saying here. A string object does not support item assignment. Okay, it means this statement in a single word we can say that immutability problem. You cannot mute, sorry, you cannot immute your, mute means you cannot change it. Okay, so mute means you can change it, so immutability means you cannot change it. Okay, so this is I'm keeping as it is so that you can understand that why it's giving error, and you can write its explanation here. Okay, concat nothing, you can concat also like this, concatenation. Everyone know that, I think. And like two strings are like hello and plus hello world, it will concat. Since I have not if you want to place one space, then what we should do? Can anyone tell me? This space I will put here
colon.
no, I don't think the colon. Got it? A space here, right? Okay, one more thing. Since already I have assigned this string in S, you can also concatenate with S. Oh, sorry.
Sakit, control enter doesn't work here.
Control enter, yeah, it work. Shift enter means you are running code, and one extra cell will be new cell will be generated below. Okay, I will run by this command next time. Okay, S, already we have S, hello world in S, right? And S, and this uh, hello world, and let me Sagar. Okay, so oh sorry, if I want to give a space, then no problem, you can write here and give one character as a space. Okay, this way you can concatenate, not a big problem. It's a simple topic. Are you fine with my teaching? My matlab help, is it fine, or you are feeling boring? Because today without preparation I just
No,
started.
it's fine. It's fine. Fine.
In any, if you want any suggestion, then you can also give me. Okay. Now next one, concatenate. This already I all told you. Mm. Yeah, one. See here, what is doing here? We have concatenating it and again storing back to S. Okay, and we are printing S. Okay, I will just copy it and put it here, and printing S. Sorry. Okay, what it is doing, hello world and concatenate me, and entire string will be again replaced back in the S, and we are printing here S. Okay, so it's a easy topic, but everything is important. That's why if I want to repeat any string, then what I should do, simply we can do Z. First I will make it a string and into 10, then it will concatenated Z 10 times. Okay, not a big deal. Yeah, these are the functions. Okay, these are the predefined functions in your Python. You need not to import any library or any method from any library to these are the already predefined function in your Python. Whenever you write this function, it will all automatically called up here, and it will perform their operation. So what if I want to run this, then what it will do, whatever the string we have in S, it will convert all these string into upper case. This is very important. You need, why it no, in text mining sometimes what happen, some words are in capital, some words in jet. So we perform this operation to bring all the sentences, all the words in either in lowercase or in uppercase cases, so that we can perform analysis in a better manner. So this may be important there, this function. Similarly, this S lower, no problem. Okay, these are the function. This here I will tell. This is very nice. Now I will ask some question. Okay, in this topic, what it is doing here? It is splitting here your string. If that place, what is the string? Hello world concatenate me. So how it is splitting here? By default, what it is taking here? Split. By default, whenever it is getting a space, okay, at after that position, it will before that position it will split the string. Let me make you understand. Yeah, like this. Hello. I'm talking about default. Okay, so since I have not passed any argument here, I have not passed anything here, just a function call. Okay, So default it will take wherever it is getting a space. So from that up no, from that point, before that point, it will split the string and store in the list. How you can say that? You can ask me how you can say that it's a list. For that simple, what you have to do, I will make you understand. First let me finish this. Okay, hello, hello, and this is blank space, right? So before this blank space, it will make a one string, then it will this it will escape this blank space. Okay, this is called delimiter. You can say that this is called delimiter. Here by default delimiter is a blank space. After that, this world this counter will go up to till where it will again find the blank space. Since it's end here, that's why world, then concat, again it will find here blank space, then it will print this, again it will find blank space, then it will. Suppose if I pass, suppose if I pass here w, okay, w, what it will do, see that. One minute, I have to, I think I've done something wrong now. Yeah, it's a capital W. Capital W. Sorry for that. See what is it is doing. It is telling that go up to where you find W. Whenever you find W, up before that point, split that string, and after that then again go and search W. So here, see here, it will search www, here it find. So blank space is also as a character, so blank space is also counted here as a character. So it will break your entire string into this hello and up to blank space. Then W, I told already, delimiter will not will not be the part of your splitted string, so it will leave the W. Okay, and then it will again go and search for W. There is no W, so entire second part will be entire ORLD up to exclamation. Okay, got my point? Is it clear?
If I want that W, then how can I split?
If you want to that
Yeah,
only you want to W, then you have to go. See, sometimes what happen na, you have some business, you have problems. Like problem means you want something, like you said that na, you want W, then why to take burden on your, already we have read na how to find W in this string. Okay, by slicing or by
no,
indexing.
no, not like that. It's same. Here in semicolon hello is there, and next comma semicolon all that ORLD
Okay, see,
everything is there.
I
But
will,
I want that complete sentence. World concatenate me. Here W is not there. So S dot split to instead of W, what will be there? It will
uh,
be blank.
what you are passing here?
Means it should be blank. If it is blank, then it will be
Yeah,
everything will be
exactly.
there, na?
Yeah, exactly. See that everything is, I told you na,
But
here,
still it is yeah.
here I told you, if I have not passed anything, sorry, in single I have did all these things. Okay, if I have not passed anything, it will by default it will take as a space, as a delimiter. If I'll pass anything like W, if I'll pass like W, then it will break like this. If I pass as your question, if I will put blank space, then it will work like this also. Okay, because by default it is taking as a right, but it will break in 4 part. Okay,
Yeah.
not in 2 part. Got my point? What is the use of
Yes.
delimiter? This sometimes very helpful when it also helpful in I think got this problem in a priori algorithm in in association rules. Okay, they have lots of transaction. There are lots of words and they want those entire products in this format in the list. That time split function is very useful. So actually basic build from here only. Okay, then people will find comfortable in machine learning and all.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's okay.
Yeah.
Now
Fine.
print formatting. Formatting is very helpful if you want to beautify your codes like that. How it working? And let me just copy and run it. Then I will make you understand. See, in here, this is an entire string. Okay, and if suppose that if I want to print anything after this, whatever we are passing here, suppose here I pass hello, then after this colon hello will be there. If I pass anything, okay, anything. So how format work? Whatever the message, this is called message part. Okay, whatever the message you want to pass, and whatever the object or variable any, either it can be integer as well as anything. Okay, like suppose that if I pass here s is equal to 1. Okay, and if I pass here s, oh my god, it's it should be move up down. I have to move it above. Yeah, I run this, and then when I run this, got my point? You can, whatever you are storing here, okay, you can print along with this message. So yeah, so what is the structure of that? This is message part. Okay, and then you have to give this bracket. Okay, give this bracket, and then dot, without any space, dot format, and whatever you are passing as a uh, object in that, you can print here, you can write here. If you want to print two things, then what is there? Nothing you have to do. Again put a, and suppose if I am here printing uh, giving here h is equal to hello, and I am passing here h. So respective manner it will go. First s will go to this, h will go to this. Okay, so okay, got my point? If I want to print here this space, then it will also give a space. Got my point? How? Suppose that if I want to print h first and then s first, then what I have to, what is the respective position of this? 1, and what is the respective position of this? 2. So first I will write here 2, and then I will write here 1. I think it will give error. Yeah, why I get error? I have to put here 1, because I gone through this problem. Okay, that's why first I shown you error part, then I corrected it. Okay, so here H, how it is doing that reversing, because it's a respective position I flipped here. First I passed here 1 and then I passed 0. Then first H will go there and then S will go here. Okay, but if I will not write anything here, I will not write anything here, then